Okay, thank you. MaZda 3 member install the wiper alarm fire stand. Can use the original. Do they have chair and a remote? You see, this one is the original remote. Unlock the car. Okay, 管理拉门. I use the original key lock the car. Just use your original alarm. แล้ว car ก็ alarm protection. Okay? 鎖門啊. Okay, now I can use a handphone. Just unlock the car. Okay, 管你過去開開門，ตะกี้打力ปิดปินตู้ Okay, 閂返落去 I can lock the car. Not the car lock. Okay, 試一試 After lock the car, after 8 seconds, we got alarm protection. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Okay. Okay. After lock 8 seconds, got alarm protection. Okay. More strong kick. 大力啲踢佢，俾佢響。冇食飯啊？Now I love my brake. I can unlock my hair. Okay, you can use the handphone controller, and what you can do after you lock the car, you can start the engine. Engine start. I can engine off. Okay, I go to video again. 代言人如花遮住車牌。Okay, you see I start the engine Engine start. Engine off. Okay. Thank you watching the video. And then you can use a smartwatch also can. Unlock the car. Lock the car. Or panic fire the car. This one is the panic button. Thank you for watching the video.